Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use WebSockets with Ballerina. Let's start with a new source file. So in Ballerina, we have a services concept in the language. So where we can bind different transports like HTTP, gRPC, and also WebSockets as well. So I'll start by creating a service template. So in VS Code, we get multiple templates for the transports we have. So I selected WebSocket. And you will notice that even though I selected WebSocket, it's still an HTTP listener that we get, because how a WebSocket connection starts off is as a HTTP connection first, then we do an HTTP upgrade to an WebSocket communication channel. So in order to tell the system that we are going to use it as a WebSocket service, we have to provide an annotation saying is the WebSocket configuration. And I need it to be upgraded to a WebSocket connection in this path. So in this scenario, I'm going to do like a simple pops up scenario where clients will connect to this service. And after multiple clients connect, I can send messages to those clients in a later time. So I'll be saving those clients, the connection objects, and I'll be using them to send them messages as they come. So it's like a push scenario from the server to the client. So I'll call this my update path ws/subscribe. Let's name our service broadcaster. And for this, we'll be only using the on-open resource function. So this resource function is called when a WebSocket client connects to this service. So that means after the WebSocket handshake is done, so when the connection is created, this resource function will be called in our service. So here, what we are going to simply do is store this WebSocket caller client instance. Let's store it in an array. Okay, so that's what it'll do. That's all that it'll do. So it'll basically store the call object, and that's it. So later on, now in a certain event, we can push some messages to these endpoints. So in our scenario, I'm going to use like a directory listener in Ballerina. So what happens is when a new file is created, I'll be getting an event. So what I'm going to do is when a new file is created, I want that to be notified to all the clients that are connected through WebSocket. So I'll create a service for that also. So it will be a service that binds to a file listener. So here I'm going to give the path that where they should be listening in. And there'll be a resource function also there for on create. So where I am getting a file event. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to iterate all the callers that I have and send the same message to everyone. I'll just do a for each. And do a push text. So this will be sent as a text message. Say new file created. So I'm just going to get the file name and send it out. So that's basically the implementation. Let's run this and give it a try. Okay, now our WebSocket service is up and running. Let's create some clients. So using the WebSocket protocol, connect to localhost. And our grid path. So, okay, so we connected, and let's register on message handler as well to print the message that we are going to send. Okay, so we have that initialized now. Let's create another client as well to show that it actually broadcasts. Okay, now let's see if our file listener will work. Let's just create a new file. Okay, so we see that our WebSocket clients get the message saying a new file is created in both the tabs. So that's basically how you can use a WebSocket client to do this type of communication. As you saw, like we can easily create a service in Ballerina to get that done as well. So let's modify this service also to reply to messages that will be coming from clients to this service. So I'll add a resource function for on text. So that means if a text message is retrieved, it will be invoking this resource function, and we'll be getting the data. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to send echo the data back to the client. I'll just send it back. Say push text template here. So I can say you said the data that was sent here. So let's try this out as well. And let's reinitialize our clients. So let's send a message from our client here. And we can see we got the response back. So same from here as well. And our file listener also still should work. Yeah. So that's it for my demo. So I hope that you found it useful and that will try out this feature in Ballerina. Until next time, thank you.